Hi, thanks for coming for a walk with me. It's Christmas Eve and look at this. We've come up to the top of a hill so we can go for a walk, and also there's a nice place with hot chocolate that we've just been to, and now we're walking towards a church on a hill for another bit of amazing view. So it feels really nice to be away from the hustle and bustle of supermarkets and all of the stuff that kind of is part of Christmas and exciting, but also can get a bit much. And it's just really lovely to be out in the sunshine. It's cold, but bright and beautiful. And just a moment of calm and appreciation. So, wishing you